As widely anticipated, one of the powers conferred on the OGA is actually that of dispute resolution. It's interesting because not only do they have the power to look at disputes which people refer to them, but in fact they can initiate looking at disputes all by themselves. Whilst the OGA is going to be able to exercise powers during a dispute process in relation to requiring people to attend meetings, in fact, ultimately the OGA's powers in relation to recommending a resolution of a dispute are going to be non-binding. So one of the other things we also weren't expecting was this very wide-ranging power of the OGA to attend meetings, but also to require people to tell them about meetings which are ongoing just in relation to any aspect of anything that's happening in the North Sea. Whilst we do expect that they will have to publish some limitations in respect of that power, or at least direct people as to how they're going to exercise it, at the moment, in fact, it's just a very wide-ranging power which we'll be keeping an eye on. We've talked about the fact that the OGA doesn't have the ability to issue binding decisions in relation to disputes, but of course later in the Act it does have the ability to impose sanctions, and as part of that it has the ability to name and shame operators, which will always be of concern from a reputational perspective to people working in the North Sea. So the Energy Bill has only just had its first reading in Parliament. It has a bit of a legal process to go through yet, and as part of what we'll be doing is looking at that as it goes through the process and advising our clients in relation to both the commercial and the practical implications for them. One of the things we are attending is the Oil and Gas UK Legal Conference in September, at which my colleague Christian O'Neill will be talking in respect to this particular issue alongside a representative from the OGA. But of course, if you've got anything you'd like to speak to us about before that time, please just give us a call.